Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today, we're diving into the world of high-end RC engineering, building a hyper-realistic, all-terrain vehicle. This isn't just an average toy. It's a high-end $2,000 RC off-road vehicle known as the Capco CD 1582 X Queen. The kit arrives as a comprehensive assembly package, meticulously organized to provide hobbyists with all the necessary components for building this high-end 1/8 scale RC crawler. Each part is individually packaged and labeled, facilitating an efficient and structured assembly process. Included in the kit are CNC machined aluminum alloy parts for the chassis, suspension arms, and transmission components, ensuring durability and precision. The assembly begins with the preparation of the differential core. A high-quality lubricant is then applied to the internal components. The gears are manually rotated to distribute the lubricant evenly across all contact surfaces. With the differential core prepared, it is now time to integrate it into the vehicle's chassis. The core is aligned precisely within the frame. Ensuring that the gear mesh and mounting points will correspond accurately with the surrounding components. The installation continues with the damping shocks, which are mounted to absorb impacts and maintain tire contact with the ground. These shocks are crucial for managing the dynamic loads encountered during off-road driving. This vehicle is integrated with the Commander steering system, a design that simulates a real rack and pinion steering structure. This system has undergone 8 years of continuous innovation and refinement since its introduction in 2015, ensuring stability and efficiency in steering performance. The front guard, crafted from durable materials, is affixed to the chassis, providing protection to the vehicle's frontal components and contributing to its rugged appearance. The Capo CD 1582 X-Queen begins to embody the characteristics of a full-scale side-by-side utility terrain vehicle UTV, a design celebrated in American off-road racing circles. Now that the internals are in place, we can install the steering motor. It's a dedicated unit responsible for turning the wheels, adding functional realism to the front assembly. To complete the build, the Bronco branding is applied to the front of the vehicle. Opting for a black and silver contrast not only aligns with the authentic styling found on full-size Broncos, but also accentuates the model's rugged design. A pre-wired LED light bar is mounted on the front guard, providing illumination that not only enhances visual appeal, but also improves visibility during low-light operation. Now it is the turn of assembling the upper frame. This tubular structure not only reinforces the vehicle's chassis, but also contributes to its distinctive, aggressive appearance, characteristic of high-performance off-road machines. The installation of this grille will separate the engine bay from the driver's compartment, mirroring the design principles of full-sized off-road vehicles, where such partitions are essential for safety and structural integrity. The installation process involves connecting the shock absorbers to the independent front and rear solid axles, as well as the straight bridge pull rods, which contribute to the vehicle's responsive handling. Proceeding with the assembly, the gearbox is now constructed. This unit features a CNC-machined dual-speed transmission system, incorporating medium carbon steel hardened helical gears. The gears are designed to balance speed and torque, enhancing the vehicle's performance across various terrains. During assembly, each gear is carefully lubricated with appropriate grease to ensure smooth operation and longevity. Once the internal components are in place, the steel casing is enclosed, providing protection and structural integrity to the gearbox. The interior assembly begins with the installation of the dashboard, steering wheel, and racing-style bucket seats. These components, crafted from durable plastic, are meticulously positioned within the cabin to mirror the layout of full-sized off-road vehicles. To elevate the visual authenticity, the dashboard and steering wheel are painted in a matte black finish, providing a realistic texture and appearance. The seats receive a vibrant red coating, adding a striking contrast that mirrors the design of performance-oriented off-road machines. This attention to detail in the interior not only enhances the model's visual appeal, but also contributes to an immersive building experience. This is the Hobbywing Quick Run Fusion Pro 2-in-1 brushless system for crawlers. It's a compact unit that combines both the motor and the ESC into a single housing, simplifying installation and saving space in the chassis, especially useful for scale RC crawlers. Now it's time to prep the remaining spring shocks, which are built to function just like their full-size counterparts. Each shock body is carefully opened and filled with silicone oil to regulate compression and rebound. This fluid plays a crucial role in dampening impact forces, ensuring smooth articulation across uneven terrain. The tires on this RC build are crafted from premium-grade rubber, offering both durability and traction for off-road use. To assemble them, each rim is carefully inserted into the tire shell, followed by fitting the precision-cut center disc. These components are aligned and secured to ensure a tight, balanced fit. Once all four are complete, the wheels are ready to be mounted, bringing the RC vehicle another step closer to the trail. Moving toward the final touches, we begin by applying the dashboard stickers. Each one designed to replicate real vehicle displays, bringing a sense of authenticity to the cabin. Next, the fully prepped suspension units are positioned and bolted into place, connecting the chassis to the axles. The gearbox casing secures the earlier built transmission system just behind it. At the rear, the steering shaft is installed, and its linkage wire is routed and connected, ensuring that the rear steering functions smoothly with the rest of the drivetrain. Finally, the drive shaft is installed through the chassis, carefully aligned with the gearbox's output shaft to complete the powertrain assembly. Right above the gearbox, dual cooling fans are mounted. While they're mostly visual, they give the build an aggressive, functional look reminiscent of performance-focused off-road machines. With that done, most of the major systems are now ready for integration. Inside the box, additional vinyls are included for the doors, rear deck, and trim sections. These add a racing character to the exterior, bringing it much closer to a competition-ready UTV. Once the model is flipped upside down, the completed mechanical systems can be seen in action, gears turning, linkages moving, demonstrating how much engineering is packed into this 8 times smaller side-by-side off-road vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you're into builds like this, don't forget to check out the RC Playground channel. They've got plenty more jaw-dropping projects waiting for you. See you next time.